In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace image in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project where you want to replace an existing image. The process is simple, but it is important to correctly identify the layer that contains the image you want to replace. On the right side of your screen, you will see the Layers panel, where each image in your project appears as a separate layer. If you are not sure which layer corresponds to which image, you can identify it using the Move tool. Select the Move tool from the left side of your screen, then go to the top of your screen and enable the Transform Controls option. Once this option is enabled, whenever you click on a layer, you will see its bounding box and corner handles appear on the canvas. This makes it easy to identify which image belongs to that layer. If your project only has a single merged layer that includes both the background and the subject, replacing the background requires a different process. In that case, you should follow the method explained in our separate video titled How to Change Background in Photopea. Search for that video on this channel and follow the steps shown there. However, if your project contains multiple layers such as a background image and a foreground image, replacing one of them is straightforward. First, click on the layer that contains the image you want to replace. Then right-click on that layer and choose Delete to remove it from your project. After deleting the old image layer, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Open and Place. A file browser will open where you can select the new image from your computer. Choose the image you want to use as the replacement and click Open. The new image will automatically appear inside your Photopea project. You can then click and drag its corner handles to resize it so it fits properly within your canvas. After resizing, move the image to the desired position on the canvas so it replaces the previous one. This method allows you to quickly remove an existing image layer and replace it with a new one while keeping the rest of your design intact. And this is how you can replace image in Photopea.